easy manual. Today we're gonna see the cheapest way to do tire lettering. Okay. These are my wheels. These are 18-inch wheel. So I want the letters to go here. I'm gonna use reflective vinyl because reflective vinyl is it has more glue than the regular vinyl. Okay. These are temporarily stickers, but also you can use rubber and regular vinyl. Okay, so I'm gonna show you both ways. Okay. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make the letters. I'm gonna use Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, to make the font, the style of the font. But if you don't have this program, you can go to Google and put tire lettering template, and over there go to images, and here you can see this. You can print this on your printer and cut them on a sheet of vinyl, or you can cut them on a sheet of rubber. You can get the rubber. I'm gonna put the link for vinyl and rubber in the description of the video, so you can make your own tire lettering. Okay, like this. You see, they have plenty options, and then you can go here for more. You can go for Dodge, this, more Nito. Okay, like this. There are a lot of styles, Hancock, a lot of pictures in there. The only thing you need to do is just print them on a sheet, make them the size you want it, and then put it on top of the paper and cut it with a blade. Okay, but since I have the machine to cut the vinyl, I'm gonna design it here and cut it on my plotter. Okay, so mine is gonna say, what should I put? I'm gonna put my Instagram and roller. And the font I'm gonna use is let's see, this one, Antique Olive, North Italic. This is the one I'm gonna use. Has to be uppercase. Remember, I said that I wanted 12-inch wide. Okay, now the wheel size, it was 19 and a half. I'll do it again. Let me lock this one. 19 and a half. Okay, so I want a little bit more space, so I'm gonna make it 19.7. And then the other one, the letter, let's say I want it I wanted 1 inch, so 1 inch tall, and then I'm gonna make it curve. Yeah. And it sounds Antrolla. I'm gonna put a space. Okay, let me put a space. So it's and rolla. Oh, I'm very close on the camera. Okay, so I think that's my final letters. Okay, so now I'll convert the curves. So those are my letters. I'm gonna put 2 on each wheel, on each tire. So I'm gonna need 8. And I'm gonna put a little bit more space between. Okay, those are my letters. I have a cutter to do that. If you don't have a cutter, print this on a sheet of paper and like this, control print. You can print on a paper and cut it with a blade on a piece of vinyl or a sheet of rubber. Okay, you can put it on a sheet of rubber and cut it. Okay, but since I already have the cutter, I'm gonna cut it on the vinyl with the plotter. Okay. Okay guys, I already have the letters ready to put it on the card. I'm gonna put this clear tape on top, but if you don't have that, you can put a regular tape or you can put masking tape on top to put it together. But remember, if you don't have the cutter, you can print something like this on your printer, put it on top of the vinyl of the rubber sheet and cut it with the blade. Cut it each line like this on top of the rubber sheet or the vinyl sheet. But I recommend using, if you are using vinyl, use reflective because the glue is more sticky on the reflective and it will stick better. Okay, but the rubber letters will last longer, okay, than the vinyl. These are temporarily letters and the rubber letters will last longer. Okay, now let's put them on the wheels. Okay, I decided to go with the other tape because the clear one is super hard to remove, and then this one is gonna be easier to put on top. So you put it on the card, use a masking tape. Okay. Okay, so before you put the stickers, clean it with alcohol, the wheel, so it will stick better. Okay. Okay guys, those are the tire letterings. They look super cool. You can see those. Remember, for this one, you need to use a heat gun to make them to stick all the edges so they won't lift. But these ones are temporarily. If you want something that it will last longer, get a rubber sheet and cut it. But those you have to stick them with a super glue, okay? But both styles are very easy to do and very cheap, okay? Okay guys, let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.